Fáilte, welcome back to our beginner Irish mini weekly lesson this week on Teachtainse. So this week we're going to look at a real Irish goodbye. Now this can mean a few different things, also a recent win at the Oscars, but this week we're going to look at how to say goodbye in Irish. This is our beginner weekly lesson. We're going to look at a few different ways, and one thing that probably not even Irish people know very well about saying goodbye, because we have a few different ways that you're supposed to use in different specific scenarios. Just firstly, I would like to mention that we do have our Gaeilge for complete beginners starting soon. This waitlist is down below in the description, and you can sign up and get first access to this Gaeilge for complete beginners. It's going to teach you all the basics of the Irish language so that you're going to be able to use and understand the Irish around you if you're living in Ireland. And if you're not living in Ireland but you've got Irish ancestors, then this is going to really give you a connection to those roots. If you are watching this at a later date, that might already be available, so just check down in the description. So bye in Irish, and just bye on its own, you can use a short version which is just Slán. Slán. So the Irish is in the green here, Slán, and our pronunciation is below in the yellow, Slán. However, our fuller version is Slán Leat. Slán Leat. Now, Slán literally means health or safety. So basically you're saying, may health or safety be with you. So when someone's leaving, you're saying, may health and safety be with you. Leat means with you. So Slán Leat. Slán Leat. So then if you're saying this to more than one person, you have to change the Leat part, because Leat means with you to one person, and live here, pronounce live, L-I-V, is to more than one person. So you're saying health and safety with both of you or all of you if there's more than two people as well. Slán live to more than one person. Now here's the part that not even all Irish people know. You're supposed to say Slán Leat and Slán live when you're the person staying and the other people are leaving. So in this case, this guy here is saying Slán live, he's staying, and these ladies are leaving, so he's saying Slán live. The same with Slán Leat, this guy is staying and he's saying Slán Leat to the girl because she's leaving. So what do you say then when you're the person leaving? What do you say to the person that's staying? So if you're the person leaving, you say Slán Agat to the person that's staying. Slán Agat. Slán Agat. Now, we use agat to mean to have in Irish. So you'd say Tá cór agat, you have a car. Tá cór agat. So basically you're saying to have safety, to have health. Slán Agat is bye to one person if they're the person that's staying and you're the person that's leaving. And then bye to more than one person. So if you're leaving and you're saying goodbye to 2 people, 3 people, 4 people who are staying in the house, you say Slán Agaibh. Slán Agaibh. Slán Agaibh. You can check any of these in obair.ie. You can type them into obair.ie, that's written here, and you'll be able to hear them pronounced in each of the different dialects in the Irish language. Now, all of that may seem complicated, but you don't have to worry about any of that if you don't want to. You can just use Slán, which is just our quick goodbye. Slán. Bye. So sin that's it for this week. Gurav Mahagat, thank you so much for watching. Feice mé an teachtainse hugann. I'll see you next week. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.